Hello, hello, hello. Melissa Pang here, aka The Curly Executive, and we are here, Look at this. Yes, yes. We are here at Notre Dame de Paris to, of course, talk about marketing. We are going to talk about one of the core questions on our Cash Money Questions worksheet. Who is your target market? We're going to talk about your target market. So why are we here in front of this church of all places? We're here because this is a perfect example of target market. Notre Dame is an active cathedral, meaning that it not only has the target market of all of these tourists that you see here behind me, who want to go and see and experience Notre Dame, but it also has the target market of active churchgoers, people who are going to practice and going to Catholic Mass. And so when you have more than one target, when I ask that question of who is your target, you don't just pick one, you make sure we think through all of your targets. Why? Because they've got to work together in harmony, right? So how does this Catholic cathedral that's been around for so long accommodate both the needs of tourists and both the needs of churchgoers, right? So how are you meeting your target customers' needs? That's our second question. I can give you a couple examples here. If you look outside of this church, there's a lot of signage, and there's a lot of signage in different languages, not only on the outside, but all along the inside of the church as well, so that the needs of tourists who need more information about this church are met without compromising the needs of the churchgoers who maybe need a quiet environment where they can go ahead and practice, right? We've also got audio tours, right? Audio tours are obviously for tourists. Inside, you'll also see these coin souvenir dispenser machines. Again, obviously for tourists. For the actual churchgoers, we have listed lit up signs that include all of the listings of the masses. So again, for our churchgoers. So within this one cathedral, we can see right now two targets. Both targets have needs. Both needs are being met. Last question. What is one thing that maybe your target customer is asking you for and that you haven't provided them yet? Is there a thing that people want? Now, I'm asking you this question so you can think about it. It doesn't mean you have to give it to them, but if it makes sense for you, then maybe you should consider giving it to them. This is my first time back to this church after over 10 years. And in the 10 years, I can say that Notre Dame has evolved. It has totally evolved. There are lit up beautiful sections of the church. There's wonderful lighting that highlights the stained glass in this church. It was not there before. In addition, right, there's these huge digital signs that have all of the information. So they're using technology, right? Technology to mix up their offering. And again, we're talking about a cathedral that's been around for ages. So I just want to make sure that you guys are thinking about your target market, thinking about your target market's needs, and constantly evolving the same way this cathedral is. So with that, I'm going to get back to my vacation. You follow me, please. Let's subscribe and let's keep talking about marketing. Make sure that you're checking off all these questions on your Cash Money Questions list. I'm going to see if I can get through this whole thing while I'm in Europe, and hopefully we'll see some more sites together. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for subscribing in advance. Make sure you check out Cash Money Questions. It's totally free. And if you figured out, who your target customers are, maybe what needs you're meeting, maybe what needs you're not meeting, hit me up, send me a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. All right, I will see y'all soon for the next couple of questions. And yeah, thank you.